Hey everyone, welcome back to Product Critique, the place where we break down the latest and greatest tech so you can shop smart. And today, we've got what is arguably the best portable mini projector sale you'll find right now. Say hello to the Mini Portable Projector 4K Wi-Fi 6BT 5.2, a compact, feature-packed device that brings the big screen experience anywhere you want. Whether you're at home, in the backyard, on a trip, or even in your bedroom ceiling watching movies before bed, this little powerhouse delivers. So let's dive into what makes this projector a standout. First off, the design. It's sleek, modern, and ultra-portable. With its 180-degree rotation capability, you can easily project on any surface, from walls to ceilings, without messing around with complicated stands. Just twist, aim, and go. And despite its small form factor, the image projection is anything but small. It supports full HD resolution and can handle up to 4K input, giving you a crisp, detailed viewing experience that you'd expect from much larger projectors. Now here's where it gets exciting. This projector has Wi-Fi 6 and Bluetooth 5.2 built in. That means lightning-fast streaming with minimal lag and rock-solid connectivity. Whether you're casting from an iPhone, Android, laptop, or even your PlayStation 5, the connection is seamless. No dongles, no cables, just pure wireless freedom. But it gets better. It has a built-in smart system with apps. That means you can access Netflix, YouTube, Prime Video, and more straight from the projector. No external devices needed. Just connect to Wi-Fi, open the app, and start watching. You've basically got a smart TV that fits in the palm of your hand. It has auto keystone correction, so even if the projector is tilted or off-center, it adjusts the image automatically to stay rectangular. That's a feature usually found in high-end models, and it makes a huge difference when you're using it in different environments. Gamers, listen up, this projector isn't just for movies. It handles HDMI input from consoles like PS5 with ease, and thanks to its full HD support and low latency, gaming looks and feels great. Whether you're battling in Fortnite or exploring in Spider-Man, this projector keeps up. If you've ever dreamed of movie nights under the stars, this is your gear. Pair it with a portable power bank, and you're all set for outdoor movie magic. It's lightweight, quiet, and easy to pack. That's over 30% off, and honestly, a steal for the level of functionality packed into this mini beast. So to wrap it up, for anyone looking for a compact projector with 4K input support, built-in apps, wireless casting, auto keystone, and sleek portability, this one hits the mark. Whether you're a student, a movie buff, a traveler, or a gamer, it delivers exceptional value and performance. That's it for today's product critique. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more gadget breakdowns, and drop a comment if you want us to review other tech gear. Catch you next time.